Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing or Android or not working on Android devices. So if you are also into this situation, then go through this video guide and follow the steps one by one. So the very first method is to restart your phone once. So for that, simply press the power plus volume up button and now click on restart. So after this your phone will restart, and once your device restarts, now check if the Wi-Fi issue is resolved or not. Next solution is to toggle airplane mode. So for that you have to enable airplane mode for a few seconds. Click on the airplane mode and wait for 30 seconds and again disable it, and after that check if the Wi-Fi problem is resolved or not, because this enabling the airplane mode refreshes your phone's network connections. So hopefully this will resolve. If not, next is to turn off Bluetooth when Wi-Fi is not working. So if you have enabled the Bluetooth option, you simply need to click on this to disable it, and after turning off the Bluetooth, now try to check if the Wi-Fi is accessible or not. Next is to restart your router and modem. So you are suggested to power off your router and modem for a few seconds, and after that again enable it, as this refresh the network connections, and after this check if the Wi-Fi issue is resolved or not. Next solution is to check your location. So you are suggested to move closer to the Wi-Fi router that you have, so that you can be within the range of that network. Most of the time if you move from that location, then Wi-Fi issues can occur. So it's suggested to go to the closer of your Wi-Fi router, and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. Next is to forget the Wi-Fi network. So for that what you need to do is go to settings. After that click on your Wi-Fi, and here then click on and after that here you need to click on forget. So after you forget it, now again try to reconnect it by selecting it from the list and enter your password, and now check if the error is fixed or not. If the problem occurs, then you should check if your phone needs any update. So for that go to settings, go below and click on system update. After that check if there is any update available on your device. If your phone needs any system software update, then update it, and after that check if the Wi-Fi problem is resolved or not. If not, it's time to reset network settings. So for that open settings on your device. After that go below and click on system management. Then here you need to click on reset options, and then click on reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth, and finally click on reset settings. So after this the network will be reset, and then check if the problem of Wi-Fi you are coming across is resolved or not. So these are few solutions that will surely help to fix Wi-Fi not showing or not working for other issues on Android devices. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.